So Abby attempted to take off my vent there, as you can see.
Yeah, man. Successful.
He took it off in two parts, meaning like
it does come off in two parts.
I know, but the way you took it off is just like
It was a explosion.
Yeah, now he's fiddling with it. He's gonna break it even more.
Nah, bro, just look.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of AD Budget Wheels. Today we're going to be working on the Mondeo again. Today we're going to be fitting hopefully the EGR Valve deletion kit. Sounds right? I said that right?
Yeah.
Like that. But I want the boost gauge to work, but this one doesn't have no like nipple for it the pipe to go on. So my idea is we're going to fit one of these tiny little nipple things. But I have a problem with it. Is the pipe's curved. This is flat, so this will go in there, apparently, in there, and then that will go in there. Like, it'll see in a hole, and that goes in there. But my only concern is that's gonna go flat, and that's not gonna, I'm gonna have a gap. See? I'm gonna have a gap.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know how well that's gonna work. So, I have an idea, is we're gonna cut, and then thread it in. So we're gonna drill a hole for this, and then we're gonna thread it, and then we're gonna screw it in, hopefully. If that fails, then we're gonna cut this little bit off, this bit here, and then put a thread on this bit, and then to go in there.
All right.
But then if I make a hole,
yeah,
then that's gonna be too big of a hole.
Oh, then you can't reverse. Oh, okay.
No. Yeah. So that's the problem I have.
Where do we go from there, bro?
I'm thinking, because I don't want it to be like, if I make a hole for this to slot through, then the hole's too big to put a thread on it to thread this in, you know, and then just cut this bit off. I don't know why you need this little bit. You don't, you just make a hole and thread it in, right? I think that'll do.
Yeah.
I think we should do that.
We can give it a shot. If not, it's only like, well, I don't know how much that was, bro, but, you know, buy again.
Yeah. And I'm not sure you can buy them, but Abby has found one with this bit on available. It's like £30-something.
Yeah, something like that.
This was only like £11, and this was like £2. So, you know, budget, you know. So I'm gonna just drill a hole and then just put it on and then see if it works. If not, then we're just going to buy the £30 one.
Like,
I can't find one on eBay anymore. I did have one.
Yeah.
I think my dad sent me one actually. And then I didn't buy it at the time, and I should have bought it at the time because they were on eBay and now I can't find them.
Because every Mondeo guy has bought them in a...
Yeah, probably, yeah, and then they're just selling them somewhere else.
Exactly.
On the market somewhere, yeah. It's EGR Valve deletion kit, you know.
That's it, all those dodgy MOT centers, yeah?
No, they're not dodgy.
No?
No. So we're going to crack on with this, drill it out and then put this and hopefully it works. If not, then you can all just laugh at this because it's a big fail and then I'll have to start spending more money.
Which he should have bought from the first place, so...
I know, but this is budget, yeah? This is
I know, it's part of the process, yeah.
And it's DIY, so it's, you know, it's do it yourself.
Exactly,
basically. Drill a hole, tap it, that's if you've got any, you know, taps, so you can just make threads and stuff.
Yeah, you have it, no?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. I was worried there for a second.
No, I do have it. Yeah.
All right.
So once that's done,
hopefully
that goes installed. We've got the blanking plate for the other bit for the engine for the turbo thing, and then we have a little boost gauge here. Boost gauge?
Oh yeah.
And then I have this as well.
Yeah.
The blanking for the vent, because I don't like. Some people put these in and they cut out the vents and then they slot in. I just don't like the look of it.
No, it does look tight. This looks kind of flush because it has no like you said, there's vent grills or whatever.
Yeah, but then it'd be good to wrap it in carbon fibre to match the rest of the inside.
Inside, yeah.
It's just going to be glossy, but we'll see. We'll try it, see how it goes, and then, And then we'll try and thread this pipe through. You don't get much pipe, do you?
No. It's like what?
2 meters?
Something like that.
Like 1, 2.
I know.
2 and a bit. Something like that.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll make it work, even if it's just stretch it.
That's it. I don't think that's how that works, bro, but yeah.
Just spread it outside, over there, down, and just into the bonnet somewhere, I don't know.
Yeah.
Just have it dangling down.
Exactly, it doesn't need to be connected. It's fine.
It's alright. That's it.
Yeah.
No worries. Alright, let's crack on with this then.
That's
enough of Chippy Clever.
Bye.
So guys, I've decided we're gonna cut it off there, like that, off here. So we're gonna bin this one. Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
And then we're gonna drill a hole bigger to put that. So then put thread in there, and then we can just screw that in all the way.
That should hopefully work, right?
Alright.
Let's go, let's go.
Otherwise, then we just cut this little bit off, then I can't go back. And it just gives a bit more. It's not so.
Is it much more stable?
Yeah, it's more rigid. Is that the word?
Rigid. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's more.
Like it doesn't wiggle about. It stays in its place. Yeah, is that what you mean?
Yes.
Okay. Wow. Is that what she says? Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't wiggle around. Can't be having that, mate. If it was wiggling around like that, gosh. Okay, so now it's got a thread. This is good. So this should just go in there. Yes, look at that, see?
Wow, okay.
So a lock thread should keep that stiff. It should keep that there
In
then.
place, yeah.
Hopefully. Yeah. And my nipple. Okay, it's not the best probably. It does go a bit shafted, I don't know. Oh, we could do is put a nut on the other end. Hold it in place, I suppose.
Yeah.
So we put that in there. That holds in there. We'll put it so it's nice and flush. And then we'll just put this nut in there. Wait, I've got an idea actually, because then that we can just line up and then thread in both of them. Yeah, there we go. And we just crack it up with a thing.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Perfect.
Job done.
Well, no, we need to put this on it, yeah.
Oh.
And then we'll tighten it all up, and then we can say, yeah, job done.
Okay, fine.
Now I can't get it off. I got it off. Okay, it's not the best. Goes a bit wonky, but hey, you're not gonna see it.
That's it.
What's that in there? This goes on there. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your favourite aunt. Next bit is to install this.
Yep.
Get the blanking plate on, thread this through somehow, not sure how, and install this. So yeah, it should be good. So next thing, we're gonna bring the car in.
Yep.
And then we're gonna take off the old one and put this in, and put the blanket in. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna remove this. Here, there's 2 bolts, one here, one there. We're gonna remove these studs.
Which ones?
Or the nuts, these 2 here. It holds this tubing on. This tubing's gotta come off, so we're gonna unbolt it from here. And then down there. So we have to take all this off to get our hands in there to undo 2 bolts. That's where the blanking plate goes down in there.
Okay. Maybe when we take this off,
So
we'll show you.
this is obsolete.
Okay.
And this is obsolete. Yeah.
So this whole thing goes.
Yeah. And then we can just store it just in case we have to put it back on for an MOT or anything stupid like that.
Yeah. So we're taking off there.
Oh, the connector in it. Yes. I hate these potsy little clips. There we go. So now I need to try and tell the ECU that there's an EGR valve there.
Yeah.
So there is a box apparently you can get and just tricks it, or when it goes for a remap one day, if it does, then we just get it mapped out. But at the minute we just have to leave it complaining about an EGR valve.
Okay.
One EGR valve out.
Mm-hmm.
Some nasty stuff, isn't it? No wonder they just fail. They just clog up. So much soot, and then you have to take them off. And then you got to soak it in some engine degreaser, take it out, wire brush it or whatever, an old toothbrush. Yeah. And you got to clean it and soak it again, and then it frees up this. This is what gets stuck inside of here, you see? And then it either gets stuck shut or open.
Alright.
If it's stuck shut, and then it won't, and then you'll end up limp mode and all sorts. That's what happened to my old one.
Alright.
It was stuck, and then I tried cleaning it, nothing. And then so I bought a new one, which is this one, less than a year, I think.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
And it's clogged up like that.
Yeah, well, it's soot in it, that's why it recycles. So we're going to take this bit of pipe off now, so we're going to have to try and get down there. Either take this pipe off.
Yeah.
Might be enough to get in there to undo those 2 bolts. Ugh, I'm going to undo this one. This is a bit of a wiggle wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Pass through there, do a bit of turns, and then out we come the pipe.
Right.
Some fresh oil. I'm going to fit the new gasket and the blanking plate in. One nut. And we're going to line this up so it doesn't.
Can we do a torch?
No, no, no. Just so I know the gasket's in there as well, you know? There we go. So Abby attempted to take off my vent there, as you can see.
Yeah, man. Successful.
He took it off in 2 parts, meaning like.
It does come off in 2 parts.
I know, but the way you took it off is just like.
It was a explosion.
Yeah, now he's fiddling with it. He's gonna break it even more.
Nah, bro. Just look.
So guys, yeah. So we're just working out how we can get the vacuum line through here somehow. We've seen a few videos when people have done it. They've gone through from here all the way around through the passenger side and then under the dashboard, and I am not doing that. That's long. Plus I don't have a long enough tube and I don't want to spend more money on the tube. That one I don't need to. So we're just figuring out how we can. Apparently he's fixed it. We're gonna get through this side, so and then we'll fit it on and then hopefully give it a start and then it should work, hopefully. Well, once the boost gauge is in. So yeah, we're just waiting until Abby's started fart arsing around. We're looking for a hole with a torch. It's like a doctor, isn't he? Dr. Abby. He has no idea.
You can go through,
Oh, I can?
but you have to remove your you know that plastic strap thing.
This bit here?
Yeah.
This bit here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I think there's some wiring already that's coming to your engine bay.
Yeah, that's my whole main wiring. Yeah.
It's like 2 small wires, a purple and
Oh, is it?
yeah.
Okay. We just thread through there then, yeah?
Follow that through. But I don't know if you can see it from that side.
No.
Oh. Can
Is it behind this bit where the windscreen bit is? Okay. So that's fine. We just remove that then, and then we can just
see if it's
go through down there, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, cool. We're going to take this bit off now, guys. So, yeah, that means I've got to take my wipers off and... just freaking struggling and getting out. Don't hit my car door. The man can't even open the door himself. Oh, okay, he can now, as I showed him how to unlock and
So
open
you know
the
about
door.
the previous video, I think.
Did he?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Okay. Go on then. Do your thing.
Yeah, okay, here you go.
Okay, thank you.
So, we threaded it through down here. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera.
Nah, it's a bit too hard.
So you can see it right there. A bit of metal
Oh yeah,
right there.
here.
Yeah, so we threaded it through. We found a rubber grommet underneath the bonnet.
Yep.
We didn't have to actually take out the plastic trimmer like Abby said we need to do.
I mean, it was easier to get it into, no? You had to take it off. Either way, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
Agree to disagree.
Yeah.
Moments later.
So guys, finally the pipe is through. In the end we threaded it through all the way there. On that end. This end pulling it up, it just came off. We didn't want to come through the grommet. So there we go. Now we have a tube, which actually we've got to get the tube back up slightly and then through here. Which I think is easier. Can I just fill it through up the top and pull it through then? Yeah. So I'll do that. I have to get upside down in the car.
That's fine.
I might send short ass in here. So guys, after a few more minutes, we've been fast around on this bit of plastic. finally it's in. There's a lot of cutting you have to do. You have to cut here, 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 and stuff. Yeah, and I'm not sure if I like it.
Yeah?
Really. Yeah.
But it looks good though, no?
Oh, I don't know. It just looks a bit.
Or is it because it's 2 different shades of black? Is that
Yeah,
why?
I guess so. Yeah. It looks too chabby.
Nah, it's not
Yeah,
shabby.
but then
bro.
I don't like it if you cut out these and then you put it in there, and I don't know. I don't know if it'll look a bit cleaner. I don't know.
Nah,
But you're saying it looks clean.
Yeah,
this
man,
way.
it looks good. It looks good.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Once it's in the car, then I
can tell you don't like it, innit?
I just don't know. I just find the gloss black and it's just a bit.
Maybe just
shabby.
paint the whole thing the same black.
No.
Oh, okay. Well, it's just,
Might as well just wrap it in something.
Oh yeah, you were saying wrapping in it.
Yeah, I could just wrap it to blend in with the rest of the
What's the rest of the interior? Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
Maybe we've got to take it all apart.
Yeah, the whole acid. Yeah.
Anyway, we'll see. So guys, now that's boost cage is in, EGR Valve deletion kit is already in. All this is clipped in and bolted in, everything's all working and that. So now we're going to take you to the front, if I can squeeze. Hey, alright, calm down.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
I don't think we can see anything, bro.
No. But we'll show it the key in. And the light. There you go. The light flaps around. It's like can't make the decision. Shall be 0?
Oh yeah. Wow. But you can't really see that on the camera, but yeah, I can see. Oh my days, what is that doing?
Yeah, let's give it a few reps.
Go on.
And it should work. See, it works.
Yeah, man. Do it again. Fair enough.
It's not too bad of a finish.
Nah.
Yeah, it's alright. Yeah. So guys, now that's it. It's all installed. That's one little mod done. I wanted to tick off my little list. Well, I say little, it's a big list. Repairs and mods. So anyway, we'll go through them all. And I hope you guys watched. No, what do you mean, hope you guys watched?
You mean, hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's what you're trying to say, okay?
Yeah, it's late, bro. It's late.
Okay, it's very late, yeah.
It's late, it's getting a bit
Man's
chilly
making
now.
me work until 12 o'clock, until midnight.
What do you mean making you work? You're not working. So, anyway,
So this is not working? Nah, sick.
So guys, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to see more of the Mondo project. And yeah, see you in the next one.